And the race is on. Daddy's favorite, Catch Away, Bangge. Alongside, moving up by the rallies. How did you know? And on the further outside, Power Gear Replacement. Down on the inside, he's got the look. And Sexy Chick is the early trailer. Catch Away, how did you know? Daddy's favorite. Replacement down on the inside. Bangge alongside Power Gear is racing in six. Sexy Chick down on the inside. He's got the look. Rounding the far turn, Catch Away, still leading the pack. Replacement getting closer from the outside. How did you know as they race the final corner? Catch Away, Replacement. How did you know down on the inside? Sexy Chick is now running in fourth. And nearing the last 150 meters more to run. Catch Away now racing away by some 4 lengths, followed by Replacement. How did you know? And finally, the icebreaker, Catch Away. Replacement. How did you know? Close. Power Gear, Sexy Chick, Bangge. Daddy's favorite. And yes, get the look comes last.